Hello guys, welcome to Swift Communications GH. In this video, I'll be unboxing a universal Vodafone SmartSafe 4G router. This router is produced by ZTE. The version I'm unboxing today can accept all networks and can work in any country. This is how the router looks like. This is the default SIM the router comes with, and this is an MTN SIM, so we'll be testing it with another network to show that it's universal. Let's unbox the router. This is the router itself. This is the antenna. This is the power cable, and this is the LAN cable. This is the manual. As you can see, this is the model of the router, ZTE mf255v. Over here you can see the quick setup. So that's all in the box. This is the procedure to buy data. This is how the router looks like. Under the router, you can see the IMEI of the router, the model number, the serial number, the SSID, that's the Wi-Fi name, the key, that's the Wi-Fi password, device manager website, that's in case you want to change your Wi-Fi password, and the website password. At the back of the router, we have one USB port, one LAN port, one telephone port, the WPS button, the reset button, the power port, and the power switch. These two holes here are also the antenna port. Beside the router too, we have the SIM card port. This is the full size SIM card. This is our power cable. These are the two antennas. So we'll fix this by screwing it at the back of the router. Make sure it's firm and tight. Let's insert our SIM card. This is the way the SIM card is supposed to go inside. This is the LAN port. We will not be needing this today. When you plug in the power cable, then you on the power button. This takes roughly 2 minutes to fully start up. We will not be needing this SIM because this is the universal router, so we can use any network on this. On the router too, we have 6 lights on it: the power button, the Wi-Fi light, the phone light, the signal light, the connection light, and the LAN port light. For your router to be working, all the lights are supposed to be blue. Let's connect to the router. The name of the router is Vodafone B561. As you can see written over here. Then we'll use this password to connect to it. Small n 7 capital C capital J 3 capital K 8 capital F 309 68 316. As you can see, it's connected and secured. That means we have an internet connection. The internet access is working. We are connected to the Wi-Fi, as you can see. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.